And the police are trying to find out who killed District Constable Okino Horton and why. Mr. Horton was attached to the Detention and Courts Unit in Kingston. About 9:30 Friday evening, residents of Buttercup Drive in Mona St. Andrew heard explosions and called the police. The policeman was found slumped around the steering wheel of his car with bullet wounds to his upper body. Now, it's believed that Mr. Horton was also a taxi operator. Security consultant Robert Finzi Smith says the time has come for the government to do more to lift the standard of living for police officers.
They will find themselves in a position where they have to subsidize them income. Some of them subsidize them income by doing roasts.
Now, the district constable's death comes on the heels of at least 3 other police officers being murdered between September and October of this year.